lush landscapes are under siege by raging forest fires sweeping through the Nainital, Haldwani and Ramnagar regions. This Friday alone, the fires claimed over 108 hectares across Uttarakhand with more than 30 incidents reported. But why are these fires such a recurring menace? In the hill regions of Uttarakhand, locals traditionally burn forest areas to stimulate the growth of fresh grass for their cattle. While this practice is essential for some, it leads to devastating environmental repercussions. The Forest Department points to 4 main causes of these wildfires: intentional burning by residents, accidental fires due to carelessness, agricultural activities, and natural factors. Government studies reveal that locals might set fires for reasons ranging from encouraging better pasture growth to concealing illegal logging and facilitating poaching. The typical forest fire season in India spans from November to June, driven by variations in temperature, humidity, and vegetative dryness. Critical factors affecting the spread of wildfires include available fuel such as dry leaves, oxygen levels, and ambient temperatures. Remarkably, around 36% of India's forests are prone to frequent fires. The peak season, March through May, sees a spike in incidents fueled by the dry debris left after winter. But it is not just Uttarakhand facing this fiery threat. An analysis by the Forest Survey of India highlights the Northeast as having the highest incidence of forest fires. Other vulnerable regions include western Maharashtra, southern Chhattisgarh, central Odisha, and parts of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka, largely due to shifts in agricultural practices and unregulated land use. In response to the current crisis, the Indian Air Force has deployed Mi-17 V5 helicopters over Nainital and Pauri Garhwal to combat the flames. On the ground, army personnel, Prantiya Rakshak Dal, volunteers and Home Guard staff are battling the inferno, coordinated by Kumaon Commissioner Deepak Rawat. The local community, including Forest Panchayat officials, are the frontline responders. Further, the government has pledged stringent actions under the Forest Act of 1927 against anyone found deliberately setting these fires.
हम लोग संपूर्ण प्रयास कर रहे हैं, आर्मी का भी और अन्य लोगों का भी, सभी सामाजिक संगठनों से भी हमने आह्वान किया है, मंगल दलों से, युवक मंगल दल, महिला मंगल दल, ग्रामीण लोग, जो उस क्षेत्र में आने वाले लोग हैं, सबका जन सहभागिता के साथ सबका सहयोग लिया जाए और जो अधिकारी इसमें जिम्मेदार पाए जाएंगे उनकी जिम्मेदारी भी तय की जाएगी।
Keep watching Business Standard for the latest updates on this situation and other important news. Stay informed, stay safe.